Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme Q5 Pro device, and now I can show you how to bypass screen lock on this device. So firstly, you need to press and hold your power button and volume up button. So just press it. Then just click power off and power off. Wait a while, wait for about 5 seconds. Then just click and hold together power button and volume down buttons. Release power button when Realme logo appears on your screen, but still hold volume down button. Here, click on volume down button twice to choose English and choose power button. Now choose format data using power button, confirm this password, in my case it's 7031, click format, click OK, and wait until your device boots. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.